Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel Lovely Knee. Today is November 3rd, 2022. It is Thursday and I'm just going to make a very quick video showing you what I made recently. Everything that I made, nothing to do with Etsy order. I took break from Etsy, taking order from Etsy because I do want to use up some of my yarn stash behind and yeah, do something else beside Etsy order. Okay, so most of the things that I made are baby stuff. So I'm going to show you the knitted stuff. I made 3 beanies right here. I'm gonna arrange it based on the size right here. I knitted 3 beanies. Actually, I made 4. One of the beanie, my son brought it to school, so it's not with me right now, so I cannot show you the physical stuff, but I will I will put a picture right here, the beanie that I made for him. So before that, I'm going to explain about these 3 beanies. All 3 beanies, as you can tell, it's a knitted beanie, Fair Isles beanie, knitted using a yarn, this yarn, of course, in different colorway, LRA season yarn. So this yarn, it is 100 gram or 3.5 ounce, 76% acrylic, 14% wool, and 10% polyamide. Okay, so out of one skein I made 3 knitted beanie, and I have this much left from one skein. Okay, so first I'm going to show you this one right here. This is the very easy Fair Isle beanie, and this is for baby. This is for baby age 6 to 12 months old. And as you can see, the colors are very pretty. These are all fall or autumn color. The second one is this one right here. This is for toddler age, maybe 2 to 5 years old. I haven't measured yet, but I believe it is for 2 to 5 years old. And this one right here, this is adult size. I made this for myself. It is a little bit, the circumference are perfect, it fits me very well, but it's a little bit too long right here. So, but I'm still happy how it looks like. It's really fun to knit. Okay, so 3 knitted beanie, and the other beanie that I mentioned earlier I made for my son. He's soon to be 8 years old, and he has a YouTube channel, a gaming channel, Red Ink Donut. So I'm gonna put a picture right here, a beanie for him, and I did not swatch, and I don't do swatch. It fits him perfectly. Okay, so next I'm going to show you the crochet beanie. These are all newborn size. Okay, I made 5 beanies. This one right here, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 6 beanies. These are all newborn size, and I crochet using super bulky weight yarn number 6. And these 5 beanies right here, these are all came out of 1 cake of yarn. I use this one right here, Karen Tea Cakes. This is a 80% acrylic, 20% wool, super bulky weight yarn number 6, and in the colorway of ginger spice. And this is 8.5 ounce or 240 grams per cake, and I made 5 beanies. And this one right here, this is also super bulky weight yarn number 4, and I crochet using this yarn right here by Lion brand. Wool is thick and quick. I to have a tutorial for this, I uploaded the tutorial on November 1st, just recently, 2 days ago. And lastly, I also made this set right here. This is long tail hat, I believe what you call it, and diaper cover. This is for newborn up to 1 month old size, and I crochet this using Mandala Ombre by Lion brand. The colorway that I made from this, Tranquil, and out of 1 cake I made the long tail hat and diaper cover. Okay, so for this Mandala Ombre by Lion brand, each cake, so I have another one right here, each cake, it is 5.3 ounce or 150 grams, 344 yards or 315 meters. This is a medium weight yarn number 4. Okay, so I have this much left after making the long tail hat, is it? Yeah, long tail hat and the diaper cover. Okay, so I guess that's all for now. I am currently knitting something else, but I'm not going to show that until I'm done. And yeah, maybe I'll upload a tutorial in a day or 2. So this month of November, I'm gonna try to upload as much as possible. I have a lot of free time, so I think I will do mostly just like sit down, show and tell what I made, and probably here and there some tutorial. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. God bless and bye.